Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well today. I am here to share my feedback about our institute EduBridge, which has been an invaluable part of my educational journey. My name is Roshani Sahu. I am proud student of EduBridge. I couldn't be prouder to be a part of EduBridge. The quality of education here and the dedication of our educators have left an indelible marks on me that words simply can't express. Speaking of dedication, let me talk about our trainer, Anjana ma'am. Her commitment, dedication, and unwavering support beyond words. Through her mentorship and supportive approach, I am confident I can tackle any challenge that comes my way. I used to be intimidated by coding, but with Anjana ma'am guidance, I have turned that fear into courage. Her encouragement and support have not only boosted my confidence but also increased a passion of coding within me. Furthermore, EduBridge collaboration with industry leaders like Capgemini has been a game changer. This collaboration has provided us with real-world knowledge and experiences that have enriched our learning journey immensely. In conclusion, I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Anjana ma'am and EduBridge. Your dedication and support have made our journey possible. You have not only shaped our lives but also inspired us to strive for a brighter future. Thank you.